Satisfying daily nutrients for the kids is a hectic job. How to serve it in a proper way and in an interesting way so that the kid eat matters a lot. Kids needs usually the food that is rich in protein. Here is a malt recipe which serves the protein deficiency in kids. Let us know how to prepare it. Here I am taking 2 bowls of ragi. Wash it thoroughly. Later, I am taking 1 bowl of wheat. Wash it nicely. Half a bowl of green gram. Clean it properly now. Half bowl of Bengal gram. Clean it. And 1/4 bowl of horse gram. Wash it properly. Now I am taking 1/4 bowl of peanuts. Clean it and soak all the grains for the overnight. Now I'm taking off all the water and we will have to wrap all the grains separately in a cotton cloth and rest it for 24 hours. Now we will have to fry all the grains separately in a low flame until the grains get crisp. Now we will add some interesting masala items to it. Here I am taking cardamom, 2 spoons of ajwain, 2 spoons of peppercorns and 2 spoons of jeera, some methi seeds, 1 spoon of methi seeds is enough. Fry everything well and make a fine powder out of it. Now let us see how to prepare the malt. I am taking 2 spoons of malt powder which we prepared just now and I am using 1 spoon of protein powder. The description I have given the protein powder link in the description box. I am using a pinch of Brahmi powder as well and a pinch of salt. Now here I am adding half a glass of milk and we will have to mix it properly so that there are no lumps in the mixture. See, there is a perfect consistency now. Keep the vessel on the stove and cook in a low flame until the mixture thickens. See, it is a perfect consistency. Now I am adding half a spoon of jaggery so that the kids love it. Now the malt is ready. It's a very healthy recipe. Try it out and keep on watching the videos, guys. Thank you.